What's up, YouTube? It's the whelping stage of bully puppies. I'm gonna show y'all how to whelp y'all puppies real quick. You want to make sure you got them on the nip. You know, make sure they all on the nipple. This nigga, there's something wrong with that one. I don't know what's wrong with this nigga, bro. Baby, that nigga Reese is retarded, baby. Yo, bro, I think it's like probably in the, you probably threw it in the living room, me in the closet or on the side of the bed. But you want to make sure all your puppies, you want to push your mama to the side like this. You want to make sure all your puppies on the nipple. Damn, man, my video ain't gonna be shit. Make sure they all on the nipple. You want to leave them like this for like an hour. Then take them off and wait 2 hours. Then put them back on 4 hours. Whelping stage, man. And make sure mama lick on them so they can pee pee and doo doo. Pee and doo doo. And you gonna do this to all your puppies every day, every time they eat. She won't be lazy very much. This nigga is crazy. I do got puppies available. So if y'all interested, man, just leave some comments. For right now, they 10 days old. And they looking kind of fat already. 10 days old, man. Dog's healthy as hell. My runt look like she even coming back. It's the runt of the group. My baby runner. Let's walk the stage, dog. That's how you do it. Looking good.